What if I told you that your thought could shape your success? Positive thinking is not just about being happy, it's about developing the right attitude to win in life. Let's talk about it today on the Great Lineage TV. Today on the Great Lineage TV, we'll be talking about the power of positive thinking in achieving success. Your mind is your greatest asset. If you think you can, yes, you are right. If you think you can't, yes, you are still correct. If you think you can do something to achieve success, you are right. It means your mindset is positive. It means you have a growth mindset. It means all you are thinking is positive and growth. And if you think you cannot do it, then you are still correct. It means your mindset is negative. It means all you think about is where you are being stuck by now. If your mindset is telling you you can't, then I would advise you to go back to one or two of our videos where I spoke about mindset. There I explain mindset and how to develop your growth mindset. Another thing is for you to eliminate negative self-talk. Stop saying I'm not good enough. Replace it with I'm capable and I will find a way to do it. At most of the time when we go about our daily routine or one goal or the other, or we have a target that we want to actually reach, we might think somehow that this task is too enormous and we might not be willing to take such a huge task. But for such person, it means the negative mindset in that person is highly awakened, and the best way to do it is for you to know that you can do it by replacing that I can't with I can. So eliminate that negative thought. The third point is for you to surround yourself with positive people. Negative people drain your energy. Stay close to those who inspire you in life. For example, let me take example from some women. Some ladies have friends that the only thing they think about is how to look good, how to be fashionable. I'm not saying looking good is not good. If you keep on having negative people around you, in no time you will just be like them. Birds of the same feather flock together. If 9 of you are looking toward fashion and you alone is still looking toward positivity, upward mobility, there is no way they will not draw you back. At the end of the day, you will see that you are a lone ranger in such a circle. Then, one way or the other, you start joining whatever they are doing that is not bringing progress to them. So, always surround yourself with positive-minded people, people that think right, people that all they want in life is to be better than their yesterday, people that are competing with themselves, not people that are competing with others. You don't need to compete with others, compete with yourself. Actually, if you are in a society where you are not respected enough, then you still need to do more, not by blaming anybody that they are not respecting you. Do more to earn that respect. So number 4 is turning problem into opportunities instead of complaining. Ask, how can I fix it? If something is going wrong, going left, and you want it to go right, then look at what you can do to adjust the mobility. Look at the way you can turn the hands of the clock anti-clockwise or clockwise. All you need to do is sit down, reflect, meditate, and probably have a brainstorm with a team. That is always the reason why you must surround yourself with positive-minded people, because positive-minded people will see what you are doing, and even without asking them, sometimes they will give advice. But if you have a team that you are working together, definitely all of you will reach your destination in no time. So always turn your problems into opportunities. Another dimension is that when you have a problem on a particular project or on something that you are running on, then look at why that problem is there. You are moving toward having accidental discovery, and at the end of the day, you will just realize that even the problems that came your way are there to guide you to the right path. So always turn problems to opportunity. Is it that people are telling you you are not educated enough? Then you don't just go back and sit down. Go back to school. You are never too old. I took my jump when I was over 40 years old. Now I have PhD in entrepreneurship. It's never too late. It's never too late. It's never too late. I'm telling you. Let me quickly tell you that No matter what you do in life, you have to practice gratitude. Focus on what you have achieved rather than what you have known. A bird at hand is better than 1 million in the sky. Gratitude attracts more success. Whatever you have, appreciate it so that you can look for more. You can look for how to consolidate on what you already have. So, my brother, my sister, always be appreciative of what you have at hand. When you appreciate what you have at hand, that is when you will not put yourself under undue stress. That is when you will not be competing with another person. I'm not saying what you have at hand is not for you, but appreciate that one first, then you know how to move to the next level. Now to the list of the books that I spoke about positive thinking. Number 1, The Power of Positive Thinking, authored by Norman Vincent. This classic book emphasizes the transformative power of maintaining a positive mindset to achieve success and happiness. Number 2 is The Magic of Thinking by David J. Swart. This book encourages readers to set high goals and believes in their ability to achieve them, demonstrating that thinking big leads to greater accomplishment. Number 3, The Secret. The Secret by Ruth Bain explores the law of attraction, suggesting that positive thoughts can bring about positive outcome in one's life. Number 4, The Happiness Advantage. The Happiness Advantage by Sean Acor delves into how a positive brain can boost productivity, creativity, and success, offering strategies to retrain our mind for positivity. Number 5, You Are a Badass. You Are a Badass by Sincero combines humorous and practical advice to inspire readers to embrace their inner greatness and live a positive, fulfilling life. Number 6, Think and Grow Big. Think and Grow Big by Napoleon Hill. This work links positive thinking with financial and personal success, outlining principles practiced by prosperous individuals, the way they link creative thinking with financial and personal success. Number 7, The 4 Agreements by Don Ruiz present a guide to personal freedom and positive living through 4 keys rooted in ancient Tolkien wisdom. This even go beyond the contemporary thinking now. At least we have a lot of people that are more prosperous and successful in the olden days. That is why the 4 Agreements delve into the history and brought forth what was good in the past to the present. Number 8, Learned Optimism by Martin Seligman, a pioneer in positive psychology, teaches how to cultivate an optimistic outlook to improve quality of life and combat depression. This goes beyond just thinking right now. It's even combating the negative outcome of not thinking positive. Number 9, Flourish. In this follow-up by Martin Seligman, expand on his theories, providing insight into achieving life of well-being and happiness through positive psychology. Of course, as you know, thinking positively, thinking negatively, mindset, anything that has to do with thinking, that has to do with behavioral attitude, it's all about psychology. So this is a follow-up to a book earlier mentioned above. Number 10, Mindset, The New Psychology of Success by Carol Dweck. This book explores the concept of fixed versus growth mindset. I said that I think in my first video, so you can scroll back after you finish with this one, to positive thinking in achieving more success. Even for you that is already successful, you can always do more, you can always do better. So with these 10 books, I think anyone you can lay your hand on, you should be able to learn more. So the takeaway in this video is that your thought influence your action and your action influence your outcome. So our next video will be why your home country will be your best retirement destination, and for those people that came from Nigeria, why Nigeria will be your best retirement destination. And if you are from other country like say Somalia, Kenya, whatever, why Kenya can be your best retirement destination. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed earlier. Help us to share this so that other people can benefit from the entrepreneurial tips. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. Thank you and God bless.